Hi guys, good morning from Italy. Welcome to the second vlog of this series in southern Italy. Today we are in Monopoli and we are staying actually in one of the best Airbnb probably in the world, which is Bella Vista Suite. So let's start with a little room tour. I have to say it's kind of messy because we slept here last night, so don't expect everything tied up. But just to give you an idea how it looks like, and then we will go upstairs. There is a stairs that actually lead to the terrace where there is a swimming pool with jacuzzi, and then where you usually take breakfast and enjoy a beautiful sunrise and sunset. Coming in from the entrance, there is a double bed over here. Then you've got a wardrobe. Then you have like a chair with a table. There's actually a window which leads you this beautiful view of the old town of Monopoli. Back here you have your bathroom with all the utilities, a dryer, sink, and there is actually also a jacuzzi for your bath. I have to say I really love this room. It's really cozy, comfortable, and it has everything you need for a couple of nights, even more. But right now it's time to check the terrace upstairs. Let's go. Few steps. So we have just left our Airbnb and now we are going to explore Monopoli. Let's take this little tour around the city. Monopoli is considered one of the most beautiful towns here in Apulia and on the Adriatic coast. In fact, a lot of tourists usually visit this city during summer season, and the reason is because the beautiful view, the beautiful sea, and the beautiful city streets around Monopoli certainly make this city one of the most beautiful in Puglia, and you should definitely visit. After this little city tour around Monopoli, it's actually time to get something to eat. Unfortunately, we cannot sit in because we're still orange zone for this weekend. Therefore, we have to get the food takeaway and then eat at Bella Vista Terrace. So we just found one of the most traditional shop which sells actually panini, and we're gonna make some panini, have lunch on the terrace, enjoy the view, enjoy the jacuzzi, and probably also a surprise for us is waiting there. After a beautiful afternoon at Bella Vista Terrace, we had lunch, we've been chilling, and right now we're actually changing accommodation. We are going to Miramare. Miramare is part of the same company, but just different view of Monopoli. Let's check it out together. Sorry about the mess, but basically we have a double bed here, a private jacuzzi pool just next to the bed, big screen over here, and how beautiful is this? And then here we have the bathroom, shower, everything we need for a staycation. But right now, it's time to visit the most exclusive part of this B&B Miramare, which is the terrace upstairs as usual. There's something waiting for us. Let's go and check it out together. Without gelato. You want ice cream?
No.
What do you want? Aperol spritz?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it. Cream number 2. No, this is just
Spritz number 2.
Look at the view here. What do you think, Mike?
About what?
About everything.
It's a nice place, nice girl.
Oh my god, so tired. I'm about to go sleep. Last night here in Monopoli. It's been a wonderful day. Tomorrow morning we'll have a wonderful breakfast at the Terrace in Bella Vista. And a few hours around Monopoli, and then that will be the end of this vlog. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning from Monopoli. Last few hours in this magical place. It's been a wonderful weekend here. Could not wish better. But right now it's time to leave and go to the next location, which is going to be somewhere in southern Italy or maybe somewhere around the world. Stay tuned on this channel. If you really like this vlog, please smash that subscribe button, like, and leave your comment below. But right now, enjoy these last few clips from Monopoli, and I'll see you soon.